makes it really easy to pick your algorithm and your framework. It puts all those things together, and it optimizes them. So for SageMaker, we have optimized the top algorithms to run 10 times faster in SageMaker than anywhere else. You can bring any framework or algorithm that you want. You can go to the AWS Marketplace for machine learning to pick from over 150 algorithms and models, and you can build them into SageMaker. That makes it more easy to do training in SageMaker than anywhere else. You just specify your data and your instance type, and SageMaker will spin up the cluster to do the training and spin it down when you're done. You can constantly optimize your models for significant performance change. And once you've tuned your model, just pick an instance type. And with one click, you can deploy your model to production. Once the model is deployed in production, SageMaker manages that infrastructure on your behalf. Machine learning is being done by everyone. Founded in 1906, here in Spain, Viesgo is one of the oldest energy companies in Iberia, serving nearly 1 million customers in northeastern Spain. Viesgo enforces a verification process in every contract. And what that means is that their contact center has to handle more than 800 pre-sales phone calls a week. By using Amazon SageMaker and Amazon Transcribe, the company will have automated 90% of those verification calls by the end of this year. Machine learning is used everywhere, and AWS has a solution for you wherever you are in the stack. Now today, we have more than 10,000 customers worldwide using Amazon SageMaker, and many of them are standardizing how they use ML on AWS. FinTonic is a local company that builds an application that serves more than 450,000 users that lets them centralize their finance products in a single pane of glass, controlling their expenses and receiving customized alerts based on their spending. And FinTonic classifies more than 180,000 transactions per minute in 76 different categories. By using Amazon SageMaker, the company has reduced the deployment time by 70% and their infrastructure cost by 20%. So far, we've talked about the low levels of the stack, really the compute layers, where TensorFlow and other very common frameworks are being run on customized instances with customized chips. We've talked about Amazon SageMaker, which is in our middle tier for machine learning products. And Amazon SageMaker is all about making machine learning possible for every developer in this room. We have our top layer of AI services that we built for automated machine learning capabilities for developers who don't want to think or learn about the infrastructure. And we built a lot of them. The idea with these broad capabilities of services is to make it easy to tap into that machine learning functionality without being a machine learning expert yourself. For vision, we have recognition image and recognition video, like for operations, like tell me what's in this image. What celebrities are in this image? Is this image safe for work? For documents, we have Textract to easily extract text and data from virtually any document. Simple OCR is not very useful. You can't get data out of tables, graphs, or forms, but you can with Textract. Textract uses machine learning to natively understand documents it has never seen before. You can pull tables and rows out of a scanned document and make them data and usable with Textract. Textract will identify the position on a page and the relationships between the text. And so you can extract full rows and columns using Textract. You can index them and you can load them off Aurora and directly query off the page. That's amazing.